JavaScript is a versatile, high-level programming language primarily used for web development. It allows web developers to add interactive and dynamic features to websites, such as animations, form validation, and real-time updates. JavaScript is executed by web browsers, making it a client-side scripting language, and it can manipulate the document object model to change web page content on the fly. It's not related to Java despite the similar name. JavaScript was originally developed by Netscape and is essential for modern web applications. Java is a powerful, versatile, and platform-independent programming language commonly used in various applications, from desktop software to web applications and mobile apps. It's known for its write once, run anywhere capability, as Java code can be executed on different platforms with the help of the Java Virtual Machine. Java's strong emphasis on security, portability, and object-oriented programming makes it a popular choice for large-scale applications, including Android app development. Java is different from JavaScript. They share similar syntax but are distinct languages with different purposes and usage.